Hi all and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you my bangles collection. So yes, every woman likes to show off her jewelry collection, her bangles collection and her kitchen. So I'm such woman too. So in this video I'm going to show you my bangles collection, right from single bangles to glass bangles. And all the bangles that I will be showing you in this video are mostly collected from my engagement, wedding, my sister's wedding, my sister's engagement, my cousin's wedding, and all that, where all girls love to buy accessories for the fancy dresses we wear for function. And also some bangles that I have purchased in last 10 years as well, which I used to wear to my office until we had this work from home scenario. So the first box I'm going to show you is all my single bangles and my pair of bangles that I used to wear to work. And to talk about this box, I have taken it from DMart, I think, for at the cost of 89 rupees. So in this box I have stored all my bangles. So it might look a bit messy, so please bear with me while I walk you through. So this is simple glass bangles that I got when I went for puja after my wedding. And this is that one single big bangle that goes well with jeans or kurtis or something like that. So this is of that bracelet kind, which I remember taking back in 2013. So this is that. And again, this is a bracelet that my cousin got to me from US, I think almost 10 years back. So, and the remaining are some simple metal bangles, single ones. So actually these were a pair, and I and my sister have split it among us two, meaning one I've given to her and one I've taken it with me. So this is that. So all these bangles are like almost 8 years old. And this is that stone bangles which we used to get in the market like for 100 to this is that. And these both are from Amazon, 6 pairs 300. So I got this bangles. I'll try to link any bangles that I have purchased online. I will try to link them in the description box for your reference. And this is that plastic bangles. And again, this is that pearl bangles which my sister's mother-in-law got for me once. And this is again that stone bangles which we used to get 100 rupees a set. This is that North Indian wedded women wear these, it seems. I got these much before my wedding. I didn't know that married women wear, but I got them nonetheless. So this is that bangles. I got it for around 250 in a local shop near my house. Next is these gold color bangles, metal bangles, which my sister got for me from Pondicherry. So this has not lost the shine, and it's almost been like 4 years now. And this is another gold color metal bangle, which one of my auntie has given it to me almost like 13 years back. And I love it, so I've kept it carefully. And these are these bangles from Jageshwar, which my mom got for me. And this is what we called as Lakka Gajulu in Telugu. This is a wooden kind of bangle which my sister got for me from Aruku. And these are simple, there's a glass bangle, this and this white one. So these two are the glass bangles which I think I got it from a local store. And this again are stone bangles which my mom gave hers to me, and I have kept this in a cover to not lose the stones. And this is that funky Banjara bangles that we get from the Banjaras outside. So this is that. So this goes well with any jeans or chudidar, and I like to match it when I do not have any bangle that goes with the dress. And again, these are some glass bangles which my sister got for me outside some temple. I guess it's Tirupati. So yeah, this is those bangles. I was having around 6. Unfortunately, 4 of them broke, so I'm just left with 2. So this is that. So this is the first box, a mostly single bangles collection, and all that simple bangles that we can wear for office work or daily purpose. And this complete box is all mostly glass bangles, and this collection started after my wedding. These bangles my mom gave me, and most of these bangles I got it from Tirupati, which we visited right after my wedding. So this red one, grey, cream color, all this are from Tirupati. And this first set of like the maroon one you see, I actually thought to wear them for my wedding, but somehow this didn't I didn't like it, and in the last minute I decided to go with this green and normal maroon color bangles that we get in the market. And all the remaining greens that you see here are again from Tirupati. This my Bua got for me from Srisalam, and she gifted me for the wedding. This is from Vijayawada Kanakadurga temple, and this is from my sister's in-laws side, some village. So we went there for some function, so there I got this. So the orange velvet that you see here, and all this is one set. I just split it and kept so that I can match these with any of the glass bangles I want. This is an again glass bangle coated with thread and thin beads kind. So this is one set which I got from Tirupati again. And this is some random glass bangles and some bangles that I just kept here. So this again I got from Chilkur Balaji temple. It was a set of 2, but one of them broke. And this is that simple glass bangles that I have that do not set anywhere, but I've just kept it here. So I've just kept it here. So that's that. And again, these bangles my sister got for me from Srisalam. So this is that. And these are random stone metal bangles which I like to wear at the corners when I wear any of these glass bangles. So this is that. So again, this box I got it from D-Mart, and this was pretty costly. This was around 300 or something, but it's definitely worth buying as it holds a lot of bangles and it's a very sturdy plastic. The next I would like to show is this pouch full of bangles. So this pouch I recently got it from Amazon, and I think you can also get this from Meesho or Flipkart, but I got it from Amazon for around 300 rupees. So I'm not sure. I'll put the link in the description box. The thing I didn't like about this pouch is the length of this glass holder versus this pouch is not a match, so hence the bangles keep falling out. Okay, so talking about the bangles, this is all metal bangles mostly. So this is another single bangle that I have. This is this glass metal black metal bangles that I got from Chennai Sarvana stores. So people who are from Chennai will know that Sarvana stores is that one-stop shop for women where you get many bangles at extremely decent price. For example, this is another Sarvana brought piece. This is white glass bangles, and I got 24 bangles for 28 rupees. So that's why I like Sarvana, and I ended up purchasing many such bangles like that in Craze. So this is another glass bangle set. This suits well with one of the sari my husband got, one pattu sari that he got for me for wedding. So it suits well, so I took these. This is again that stone bangles we get. All these are the stone bangles that we get in the market, 100 rupees a set kind. So there was an era where the sales of this bangles was a craze in the market, and I kind of got every color combination that I can find. This again is bangles that my sister-in-law got for me from US. So this is that. These are that metal bangles which were a trend I think almost 3 years back, and I got this again from Sarvana stores. These are the green metal bangles that I got for a wedding, a dress for my cousin's wedding, and I only wore it around 2 or 3 times. This is simple glass bangles that I took in Srisalem, and these are red bangles from here to here. There were more, but unfortunately they broke. So this again I got it from Vijayawada. Usually women begin their video by showing off their wedding bangles, but the wedding bangles that are only left are these 4. These are my wedding bangles that I wore in the corners. The center wedding bangles were all like simple glass one, which either got faded or were broke, so I had to throw them. You can understand that playing cricket with bangles or typing with bangles end up cracking more bangles at a faster pace. So I had an office outing after my wedding, and I played cricket and ran. So my bangles broke a lot then, and probably I'm not a good maintainer for glass bangles, and that's the reason I couldn't keep my wedding bangles for long. So this is another single bangles thing I got from some local store, and this is that maroon bangle set that I got from a local store for 400 rupees I guess, and this was for my sister's engagement. I got these bangles. These are metal bangles. That's about that. And these are purple bangles which I got for a ghagra. These are simple maroon bangles which we have distributed to all the women in our wedding. The extras I have taken with me. So this is that. So this is the same case, the extra bangles. So these bangles suit well for a sari that my husband got for my wedding, for our wedding. So this is that. These are simple, again, random bangles that I got from different places. These are gold bangles, stone bangles that cost a bomb in the market. Like almost a dozen of these cost 200 or something. Those who like to get their bangles matched for some saris or all, you would know that these bangles cost a bomb. So I think I got this for one of my cousin's wedding, and I've kept it safely ever since, and I try to match them or wear them as corner bangles along with some other glass bangles. So this is another gold color single bangles which I like to wear when I'm wearing a Malayali white and gold border sari. These suit very well with white and gold border sari. So this is all about the bangles in this pouch. And the last pouch I would like to show is this. This pouch is again, I got it from Amazon around in 2017 for around 400 rupees or something. So all the bangles in this are very expensive. Like it's all made about pearls, stones and all that, which I wore for my sister's wedding and my engagement, which I will tell you in some time. Since these costed a bomb, I immediately got a pouch and got these stored. So talking about these bangles, these are all like arranged in the fashion how my sari color was, like yellow and pink. So all the bangles are pretty mismatched here, but so all the bangles still here are for my sister's wedding that I wore a patu sari. For that, my sister got these for me from General Bazaar in Hyderabad. And all these bangles I wore for my engagement patu sari. So this is that bangles. So one set of this roughly costs around 1500 rupees. So this is that costly. So all the bangles in these 2 rows put together, I can say would cost around 5k, and that's why I like to store these away in a place where I do not touch or get access to that place on daily basis. Again, talking about these bangles, these I got for my sister's reception, and this entire set here costed around 2k, I believe. And the best part about these bangles is all the pearl and the stone one that you see here can be extracted and be matched with any other color bangles that are here, or can be worn just like that. So that's why I like these bangles a lot. There have been several occasions where I took these and matched it with other bangles and worn, and it definitely does complement the way you arrange the bangles. So it's all about how you arrange your bangles and wear. And finally, these are some more bangles from this set here that you see, the pink one. So these are some more bangles from that. These somebody has given to me in my wedding along with the wedding gift they have given. So I do not remember who, but someone has given me these bangles. So this is that. I never really got the opportunity to wear, but I think I will wear someday if I have any sari in this color. These bangles are from my engagement, a mix and match of these. So recently for Atla Taddi vlog that I have shown, I wore these bangles because they were matching with the sari I wore that day. So I wore these bangles by taking these as my corner bangles. So that's why these are separated from this set. And finally, this is something that I've taken for Diwali recently. This is again that Lakka Gajulu is what we call, but decorated with stone work. Sorry. This again is a local store bought, and this costed me around 150 rupees a pair. This I wore for my Diwali sari. I had a yellow sari, so I got that. And this green, the reason I got is honestly I liked how the pattern is at the edge. It was pretty unique, so I got that for that reason. And also to add, I recently purchased a green sari which is exactly in this color, so that's the reason I got these bangles. Yeah, so that's pretty much about these stone bangles. The last I would like to show you is this stone bangles. These were a gift from my cousin for my wedding, and I've recently opened a pair of these. So that's all about my bangle collection. If you do like my video, please do subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.